Okay guys, I'm really excited. I'm kneeling down right in front of Yaba Tong. This is the most popular miso tonkatsu place, miso katsu place in all of Nagoya. My friend Adam told me about it. I looked up online and people love this place. This is what I'm gonna order right here, right? Apparently it's the most popular one, but I'm gonna confirm when I make my order. There's another style, right? They got multiple different styles. And guys, if you ever get to Nagoya, you gotta try miso tonkatsu, right? It's a breaded pork with miso sauce poured on it. They have different styles of miso. It's one of the most famous items in all of Nagoya. I'll see you on the inside. Chris here. I just want to say, please subscribe to this channel for awesome content every week. Kanpai, which is cheers in Japanese, and now back to the show. Okay, so I'm really excited to be sitting here. I got the menu right in front of me. I'm about to call them over. This is the world famous miso katsu. The name of the place is Yabuton's. I told you guys before. If you ever get to go, you gotta order this. So I'm about to order right now. Sumimasen. I got my. Just like I'll watch it. 一番定番注文します。どれがいいですか、定番? I'm asking for the most regular dish. これ一番人気。これ2種類ですよね。そうそう、味噌、ソース。じゃあ、その2つ。これで。はい。So I asked for the most popular one, most common one, and he said this type. So it's got two different types of miso katsu now. About to dig into it, can't wait. Okay, here we go. I'm really excited. Actually, to be honest with you guys, a couple years ago I came to Nagoya and I have tried, not this place. My friend says this is the most popular kushikatsu in all of Nagoya. My friend Adam. So this is one I decided to go to. I've tried kushikatsu a couple years ago. And actually one time, 5 years ago, a different place. Actually, I noticed something. One thing that's really unusual, I don't see any dressing for the salad, for the cabbage right there. Okay, I'm actually glad that question. That's just weird. They say you can put this one. All right, so actually this is normal dressing. I didn't notice it actually, Barris said. But some people actually put miso on it, right? Actually put miso on there, okay. Anyway, cool. So let's dig in. Man, so soft and chewy. I mean, unbelievable. I'm gonna show you guys what this pork looks like. Look at that. Unbelievable. So darn good. The miso is so thick it melts in your mouth. And the katsu, the way they fry the pork, usually it's a little tougher than this, but this is really soft. Put the little dressing here. Ao jiro dressing, which is a very common type in Japan. We have two types like I have right here. Right, two different types. I like to eat just a little one and then eat some of the cabbage, freshen out the taste in your mouth, and then try that one. I just dropped my chopsticks. That happens occasionally in Japan. That's part of life here. I'm not going to edit that from the video. I'm just going to leave it in here. That's part of the fun, right? Here we go. Here we're going to try the other style. This is the different style miso. More of a, I guess, soupish, right? Because that was more like a thick sauce. They're both really, really good. But if I had to make me choose, I prefer this thick sauce style over this more like soupist miso they covered on this. But both are really tasty. This is Chris from Beers in Japan. If you're liking this content, be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you dislike this content, go ahead and stop pounding like. Either way, like or dislike. Please engage with the video. Give me a comment. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Cheers.